Good morning, my dear students. Today I will discuss class 5 maths. CP, SP I will discuss. At first I will tell you what is CP, what is SP, when it will be the profit time and when it will be the suffering loss, and how to find out the SP with profit, how to find out the SP with suffering the loss. At first I will tell you what is CP or cost price. Cost price, that means buying price or bought by a person, things bought by a person. Cost price is the price at which the product or article is bought by a person. Anything bought by a person, this one is called the cost price. If anything sold by a person, it will be a selling price, or it is also called the SP, selling price, selling for S, price for P, and cost price, cost for C, price for P. CP, that means cost price, SP, that means selling price or the sold by a person. One thing sold by a person, it is called the selling price. A price which is bought by a person, it will be a cost price. Then I will tell you what is the formula of profit. When it will be the profit time, when if the selling price is greater than cost price, it will be the profit time. Okay, how to find out the profit? Suppose one article you should buying it by 50 rupees and also you should sell it by 60 rupees. That means selling rupees is greater than cost rupees or cost price. So the profit is selling price minus buying price or the cost price. It will be 10. That means you will be by this selling you should profit by 10 rupees. Then I will tell you what is loss, of what is the formula of loss and when it will be the suffering to time the loss. When it is a CP minus SP, that means cost price minus selling price. That means on that time CP is greater than SP. That means the cost price is greater than selling price. If suppose one particles or one things or one article you should buy it by 60 rupees, but unfortunately or unforgettable you will sell it by 50 rupees. That means you will be suffering in loss. How to find out the loss? On that time you should subtract the selling price from the cost price. Say cost price is greater than selling price. On that time you should suffer in the loss. 10 rupees you should loss. Okay, then I will tell you CSP, that means the selling price is equals to cost price plus profit. If you add the cost price with profit, it will be the selling price. How to find out the selling price? If you know the cost price, suppose cost price 50 and you will profit it to by 10 rupees, on that time 60 rupees will be goes as the selling price. Then also if the selling price is equals to cost price minus loss, suppose you will be suffering in loss. On that time you should subtract the loss from the cost price. On that time you will find out the selling price also. Okay, when it is suffering to the loss or it is suffering to the loss time, on that time you should subtract the loss from the cost price. On that time you will find out the selling price. Okay, so here is some formulas and questions here. Class assignment 8C, cost price here and selling price here, profit or loss. If the cost price is less than selling price, that means cost price is less than selling price, or selling price is greater than cost price, on that time it will be the profit. Then you should find out the profit or loss, which one, you will find it out. And then some calculate the profit or loss. If is there profit, you will find out the profit. If it will be profit, on that time you will find out the profit, otherwise it will be loss time. Find out the profit or loss. Here is some formulas, finding CP, or how to find out the CP or SP, or selling price or cost price. So start from page number 129. Here, these are your homework. So I will tell you what is your homework. Homework page number, homework page 129 and 130, and also it will be 132. These are your homework. 132, if you will try it, here is some profit and cost price. Find out the loss or selling price. Like this formula you should find it out. Okay, thank you my dear students. Thank you for watching.